What's up guys, so it begins. The megapixel war is officially on. Samsung just announced its 108 megapixel camera sensor, the ISO Bright HMX. Is the first mobile image sensor in the industry to go beyond 100 megapixel. It's already been confirmed to come with the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 and now it's coming with a Samsung phone as well. Next year, Samsung will bring major camera improvements to its phones. Apart from the Note 11 and Galaxy S11, we're gonna see some drastic camera changes across the Galaxy A lineup. So according to the latest leak, we have full camera specification for the whole Galaxy A lineup. Yes, these are going to be the naming scheme for the A series next year. Because it's S11, the number starts from A21 all the way to Galaxy A91. And as you can see in the table, we've got full camera specs as well. So this year, the minimum camera setup for the Galaxy A lineup was a dual camera. But next year, Samsung will bring minimum of 3 cameras and a maximum of 4 cameras across Galaxy A lineup, which is crazy. So starting with the A21 all the way up to Galaxy A41, you are getting triple camera setup, and then from A51 all the way up to A91 you're getting quad camera madness. The most interesting here are the Galaxy A81 and the A91, so you're getting 64 megapixel sensor with the A81, which Samsung also just announced in collaboration with Xiaomi. It also has a wide angle lens, a telephoto lens, and a TOF sensor, and then the crazy 108 megapixel sensor for Galaxy A91. Remind you, A91 is a flagship killer device. This year, the A90 is coming with Snapdragon 855 chip, so we can assume that next year A91 will also have a Qualcomm Snapdragon flagship chip. Along with this, Samsung will be making the 5G version of this model as well. So with 108 megapixel, this thing is gonna be super crazy. Also, Samsung has filed another patent for a Galaxy Fold phone. Instead of just one fold, this tablet can fold. As you can see in the renders, it looks really futuristic. Obviously, this will open a whole new world of possibilities. I normally get super excited about things like these, but after seeing what happened with the first batch of Galaxy Fold devices, not just from Samsung but also from Huawei, I'm not that excited about this because not even the first Galaxy Fold phone is in the market right now. It's still going through some changes, and same can be said for the Huawei Mate X. This is all cool. This will surely happen in about 2 years, but right now I really want to get my hands on the Galaxy Fold. Also, news regarding the Galaxy Note 10. Yes, it's coming really soon. I will be starting my coverage. But right now, this is what you need to hear. The Note 10 has the best display on the market. Yes, it doesn't feel a surprise anymore because Samsung is just so far crazy good when it comes to displays. They make displays for everyone. OnePlus, Apple, Xiaomi, a lot of competitors use Samsung displays. So Note 10, not a surprise, it has the best display, and this time Samsung has worked on making it the most color accurate as possible. It's about 25% brighter than Note 9's display, and it's also one of the first phones to cover 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut used in films. Now, Samsung also scored the highest DXO MARK score, which is at 113, even beating the Huawei P30 Pro by just a small margin, thanks to its improved video performance. Personally, I don't care about DXO MARK's result that much. I know Samsung has a really good camera. It's gonna be amazing for most people, especially with Samsung improving the night mode even further. But sadly, this lead will probably be short-lived because the Pixel 4 and Mate 30 Pro are set to bring some real insane camera gains this year. So if you're someone who is super serious about camera, you should probably wait for the Pixel 4 or the Mate 30 Pro or the 108 megapixel madness that is coming very soon. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the latest news, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.